Well, Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar joining us now. The SGX Nifty indicating that we'll have another gap up. It's actually now improved quite a bit. 55 points would qualify as a bit of a gap up despite the recent rally that we have seen. Gentlemen, good morning. Sudarshan, it's been a rip-roaring run, right? I mean, for the bulls, I mean, if you've been in this market, you didn't need to do anything, just, maybe keep trailing your stops. But for someone who missed out, what's the view now? What's the fresh approach?
Good morning, Anuj. Yes, for someone who missed the rally or exited, it is also possible to take profits. The trade is still to be on the long side of the market. There's no confusion. But after yesterday's very big gap up, it is quite possible that today we can see slightly choppy conditions in spite of the early morning, say, rally that we are looking at. So the trade today would be to wait patiently for an intraday dip. I think anything between 75 to 100 points of an intraday dip in the Nifty from the open is a buying opportunity for traders who have missed out. Then your stops are another 100 points from where you enter, and keep still and don't panic. For positional traders, the trading stops keep on rising and they are now 17,700. So far as the Nifty is above that, you must be on the long side of the market. Exactly the same view applies to the bank Nifty. Wait for a 150 to 200 point decline, go long. That is also your stop loss, another 150 points lower from your entry, and just stay on the long side.
Okay, just stay on the long side, and if you get maybe an intraday dip of 50 to 100 points, you want to buy that. Mitessh, good morning. What's your approach for Nifty and Bank Nifty today?
Morning, Anuj. We've been trading very light on the indices. In fact, we don't have a position as of yesterday. I think we squared off the last position on the indices. So my idea is that the overbought situation keeps on getting overbought, and we have run away too far from the moving averages. So I think one of these days we'll get a pullback, which could be a good entry point. So not running into the indices, but I think I agree that broadly, I think this is a market which is positively biased. So therefore, trading should be on the long side. In fact, we've had all buy calls in the last few days. And also is the fact that, I think what stocks offer is the fact that while the index keeps going up and, keeps making new highs, a lot of stocks which have been into consolidation in the last few days as the markets were going up are breaking out and are giving good trading opportunities from a risk reward point of view. So I think in that sense, we've been trading more biased on individual stocks. But otherwise, Nifty, I've talked about targets of 17,900 and then 18,025. That remains. On the Bank Nifty, 39,500, 40,300 are the two targets. And on the Nifty, 17,750, 740 is my entry point.
Okay, fair enough. So you said you've been having all buy calls. So let's talk about your buy calls for the day, Mitessh.
Anuj, Adani Ports has had a good session yesterday. A strong action. That's a buy with a stop at 812, targets of 850 here. Ambuja is a buy with a stop at 388 for targets of 412. Bosch is a buy with a stop at 17,800. For targets of 18,600, and Gas Authority is the final call. That's a buy with a stop at 132 for targets of 142.
Okay, and Sudarshan, good morning. How about you? What would be on your buy and sell list? I reckon there'll be more buys than sells today.
Yeah, good morning, Sonia. Yeah, absolutely. There have to be more buys. And I must tell you that, most stocks have also rallied with the Nifty. So searching and identifying buying opportunities has become equally difficult. MRF is a buying opportunity. It had a 3-day dip. That 3-day dip qualifies as a minor correction. Look to buy it. Yesterday it started the rally again. Buy it with a stop under 83,400. I know it's a high value stock, but that's can't do anything. PFC is a buy. Yesterday I talked about REC, and both the stocks appear to be ready for another rally. It's been moving sideways for some time. A sideways is quite often a replacement for a dip. Buy that with a stop under 115, 115. Havells is my only intraday short, and I'm not very comfortable with shorting in this market, but it is possible that Havells may give a dip. It's been a little unstable for some time now. With a stop at above 1316, it's an intraday short, and Chambal Fertilizer continues to be a buy. The stock has begun outperforming. The momentum is strong. Buy with a stop under 335.
Okay.